Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix net ERR underscore unknown underscore ULL underscore scheme in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. Now, the first solution that you can do is that you need to clear your browser's cache. How we can do that? Proceed here at the Google Chrome, make a right click. Then you need to select for open so that you can enter. So here you need to navigate to the top right corner where you can find the three dots, then scroll down and click for settings, which has the gear icon. And then I want you to proceed to the left pane, okay, and find for an option which is the privacy and security. And from here you can see privacy and security section. Proceed to delete browsing data and check all of this. Then click for delete data. Waiting for some time until this would be finished. Once done, check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to try to restart your device. So a simple restart can often resolve the temporary glitches. So try to restart your device and check if the error has been fixed. You can also switch browsers. If you're using a custom browser, try switching to a default one like the Microsoft Edge. Just have to try to another website and check if the error has been resolved. Okay? So you can also disable the firewall. How we can do that? Please navigate here at the bottom search bar. Please type here panel. Once the best match has been seen, which is the control panel system, you need to proceed to the right side of it and wait until you can see an option called open. Click on it so that you can continue. Now, if your view isn't like this, proceed to the upper right side of that. You can see their view by click on it and then go with large icons. Once done, proceed to the third column where you can find the Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Now directly navigate to the left navigation or left pane where you can find turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. And then you can turn it off. Okay? Turn it off temporarily and then click on OK. Go back to your website and check if the error has been fixed. Once resolved, you can turn it on again. Okay? Click on OK. Now that said, if you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.